Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the headphones are awake and in range. This lets devices read identifying info. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings then Bluetooth. On Mac, open System Settings or Finder. Once done, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID used with the AirPods Max so the device appears under your account. These steps are critical because the serial often shows only when the device is paired or recognized by your Apple ID. So do them now locate the serial depending on your platform. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, General About, then scroll to the AirPods Max entry. The serial is listed there. On Mac, open System Settings or System Preferences, then Bluetooth, click the AirPods Max name and view device details, or check Finder if connected. If you don't see it, open your Apple ID settings and inspect devices. Paired headphones often appear there with the serial. These targets are where software pulls the stored identifier. Finish by checking physical and account backups. The serial may be printed on the original box or on the right ear cup near the headband seam. That matters because hardware labels persist even if pairing fails. If none of those work, sign out and back into your Apple ID or reset the AirPods Max and repair. This forces the device to re-register and often reveals the serial in settings. If still missing, contact Apple support with proof of purchase. They can help recover ownership.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.